Okay, let's continue. Number 17. Based on United Nations Development Program population, explain how overpopulation contributes to global poverty. Given UNDP report required explain to poverty. Explain link to poverty of overpopulation. Solution. Too many dependents versus scarce jobs or resources. Final answer. Overpopulation intensifies global poverty. Number 18. Evaluate the relationship between overpopulation and unemployment, citing a Philippine government labor report as a source. So given labor data from Department of Labor and Employment, DOLE, required evaluate the relationship of overpopulation and unemployment. Solution: more graduates entering workforce is greater than the available jobs. So the final answer, overpopulation drives high unemployment. Number 19. From a case study in China, explain the long-term effects of policies designed to reduce overpopulation compared to Philippine strategies. So given case study on one-child policy required, compare long-term effects with Philippines. Solution: China slowed growth but now faces aging. Philippines has no strict policy, so rapid growth continues. Final answer: China curbed overpopulation. Philippines still struggles. Number 20. Using a research article on urban air pollution, discuss how population density impacts air quality locally and globally. Given research article on dense cities required, discuss effect on air quality. So solution: high density means more vehicles and factories and burning, and then there will be smog and health risks. So final answer, overpopulation worsens air quality both locally and globally. Let's now have MCQ for our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 12, evaluating the adverse effects of overpopulation, local and global perspectives. Number 1. What is the common consequence of overpopulation in highly urbanized cities in the Philippines? Letter A, increased green spaces. Letter B, traffic congestion and pollution. Letter D, decrease in housing demand. Letter D, abundance of clean water. Number 2, which global region is projected to experience the fastest population growth in the coming decades? Letter A, Europe. Letter B, Sub-Saharan Africa. Letter C, North America. Letter D, Australia. Number 3, one key factor linking overpopulation to climate change is A, reduced industrialization. B, decreased greenhouse gas emissions. Letter C, increased fossil fuel consumption. Letter D, expansion of polar ice caps. Number 4, which of the following is a secondary source for analyzing overpopulation? Letter A, census data collected by the government. Letter B, personal diary entries of a farmer. C, eyewitness interviews. Letter D, autobiographies. Number 5, how does overpopulation directly affect biodiversity? Letter A, increases habitats for wildlife. Letter B, expands natural forest cover. Letter C, accelerates deforestation and habitat loss. Letter D, reduces human land use. Number 6, which of the following best describes a social effect of overpopulation? Letter A, overfishing in seas. Letter B, urban poverty and unemployment. Letter C, depletion of groundwater. Letter D, loss of species. Number 7, overpopulation in Metro Manila has most significantly led to A, increased rural migration. Letter B, decrease in informal settlements. Letter C, rising demand for housing and services. Letter D, abandonment of urban areas. Number 8, globally, food insecurity due to overpopulation is most closely tied to A, rising agricultural yields. Letter B, increased soil fertility. Letter C, limited arable land and water scarcity. Letter D, technological breakthroughs in farming. Number 9, which international organization pub- publishes global population data and projections? Letter A, Greenpeace. Letter B, United Nations Population Fund. Letter C, World Wildlife Fund, International Red Cross. Number 10. One environmental consequences of overpopulation in coastal areas is A. Abundance of marine resources. Letter B. Coral reef destruction due to overfishing. Letter C. Reduced demand for seafood. Letter D. Increase mangrove cover. Number 11. How does overpopulation worsen water scarcity in developing nations? A. Through efficient irrigation systems. Letter B. By lowering industrial demand. Letter C. Through excessive domestic and agricultural use. Letter D. By increasing rainfall frequency. Number 12. Which country is currently the most populated in the world? A. United States. B. China. C. India. D. Indonesia. Number 13. Which of the following is an economic impact of global overpopulation? Letter A. Surplus of jobs for the youth. Letter B. Strain on healthcare and education systems. Letter C. Reduce poverty levels. Letter D. Abundant government resources. Number 14. In rural Philippine communities, overpopulation often leads to A. Expansion of farmland into forests. Letter B. Decrease in farming activities. C. Lower demand for rice production. Letter D. Abandonment of agricultural lands. Number 15. Which of the following is a health consequence of overpopulation? Letter A. Spread of communicable diseases in crowded areas. Letter B. Decrease in pollution-related illnesses. Letter C. Abundant hospital resources. Letter D. Decline in sanitation problems. Number 16. Which environmental issue is strongly aggravated by overpopulation? Letter A. Global reforestation. Letter B. Air and water pollution. Letter C. Abundance of renewable energy sources. Letter D. Reduce industrial activity. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 3, Biology, Lesson 12.